right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to change your network DNS settings manually in the event that you want to try setting them to, say, the Google Public DNS or another public DNS because you feel like the one that's default through your ISP just isn't cutting it and you're not getting very fast speeds as a result. So the first thing you do is open up your Windows settings. And then from here, we're going to want to go to Network and Internet. Then we're going to go to Wi-Fi. And then here under Wi-Fi, we're going to go to Hardware Properties. Underneath of Hardware Properties, you've got the option here, DNS Server Assignment. It's currently automatic, and if anything goes wrong, just set it back to automatic, and it should take care of itself. But when we're going to change this, we just want to hit Edit over here on the right, and then we're going to set the DNS settings to manual, and we're going to tweak the IPv4 settings for our DNS. So the Google ones are 8.8.8. And if you want to double check any of the information I'm giving you, you can just Google the Google Public DNS settings, and Google will walk you through the same process if you really want. And then the alternate one is 8.8.4.4. And then, yeah, we're good. We can hit save. And then bango. We're using the Google Public DNS, which is unencrypted. You can change those settings later if you want to go into that and find a private DNS. But for right now, that's how you edit your DNS settings inside of Windows 11. I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.